Sizmek Honest Review. Watch before using. Sizmek is a digital advertising platform aimed at marketers and agencies looking for robust control over their campaigns, especially those needing high-level customization and cross-channel integration. With Sizmek, you're not just getting a DSP, demand-side platform. You're accessing a complete ad management suite that spans programmatic, social, search, video, and even connected TV. One standout feature is the extensive targeting options, which include demographic and behavioral data, custom audience segments, and advanced geo-targeting, ideal for those wanting to fine-tune campaigns for specific audiences. Sizmek's platform also includes a creative studio with tools for designing dynamic ads, allowing for real-time optimization that updates based on viewer interactions. This is particularly useful for brands wanting personalized ad experiences that adapt as they gather data. For analytics, Sizmek offers detailed reporting with AI-driven insights, so you're not just seeing numbers, you're gaining actionable information on what's working and what isn't. It breaks down performance across channels, giving you a clear view of ROI and makes data-driven recommendations to improve your strategies. For integrations, Sizmek stands out. It connects smoothly with many third-party data providers, CRMs, and attribution tools, making it versatile and adaptable to existing systems. Security and privacy are also prioritized, with compliance for GDPR, CCPA, and other regulations, ensuring ad campaigns remain both compliant and secure. Sizmek is tailored for mid to large-scale advertisers who need more flexibility and depth than basic ad platforms offer. However, it might not be the best fit for smaller businesses due to its complex interface and learning curve. It also comes at a higher cost, so you'll need the budget to justify it. In summary, Sizmek is an advanced tool with powerful features for those who know their way around digital marketing and want granular control over ad campaigns. If you're just starting or on a tight budget, you might look elsewhere. However, for seasoned marketers needing a powerhouse for complex campaigns, Sizmek is a worthwhile investment.